How do you spell it?
It's H-A-T.
Okay, let's see you write it. What is that? Let's look at it this way. These are all words that... Okay, go tell Daddy, he's in the bathroom. These are all words that Hami spelled. All by herself. How did you know how to spell all those?
But Mom, I don't know how to spell ice cream and elephant because those two are long.
Oh, okay. Do you know how to spell anything else?
Well, I do know one thing I can spell.
What's that?
I'll tell you. Violin.
Violin?
It's short.
Okay. How do you spell it? I'll watch.
It needs to be right here. Wait, I didn't cross these out.
Or is this your to-do list?
That's not B.
Whoops. Start again.
A. I.
Yep.
Dad, I'm learning how to spell things. I already just spelled ball, a net, cat, hat. Dad, I already spelled these things. Come and look. I'll tell you what they are.